The seals of the from the Indus Valley civilization. You can see the picture of animals over here. Okay, so these all things also help in showing many things about their religion also. The next topic is religion. Now, the people living in the Indus Valley civilization, they worshipped trees and animal. Which was the tree which was sacred? It was the people tree. It was considered to be sacred or holy. Other than this, even the figures of Mother Goddess have also been found. And other than this, a three-faced figure, which is surrounded by many animals like tiger, rhinoceros, buffalo, elephant is also found. According to the historians, this three-faced figure might be of Lord Shiva, who was also known as Pashupati. Okay, which was the most important animal which was worshipped, or the holy animal? It was believed to be the hummed bull. Now, inhabitant. Who are inhabitant? The people originally living in a place. They are known as inhabitant. So the people, those who lived there, naturally they worshipped gods in the form of trees, animals, and human beings. But the gods, they were not placed in temples as we are having in the modern age. Now, the Harappans, they also believed in life after death. And that is the reason when any person used to expire, they used to bury the things which belong to the dead person along with his dead body. So, this shows that they believed in life after death. So, here you can see the picture of Mother Goddess also. Yes. Knowledge. Now, children, the Harappan culture, it belongs to the Bronze Age. So, the people living in Indus Valley civilization, they discovered bronze. What is bronze? It is an alloy which is made up of mixing two metal, and that is tin and copper. Okay, with a mixture of tin and copper, a new alloy was formed which was known as bronze. And that is the reason in Indus Valley civilization the bronze statue have been discovered. Now the next is script. Now the people living in the Indus Valley civilization, they had already developed the art of writing. And that is the reason we have found almost 400 signs. But the thing is that the historians still now, they have not been able to read it or understand the meaning of this signs. Okay, it is a sort of pictorial script, and which is having many words and many objects, etc. in this. It is believed that it is the earliest form of writing which has been discovered in India. The next topic is decline of the civilization. Now the historians, they are not sure about the reasons which led to the decline of the civilization. But some of the reasons according to them might have been that the cities, they were destroyed by the invaders. And these invaders might have been the Aryans. Some of them, they believe that these cities, they were destroyed by natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, epidemics, etc. And some of them, they believe that maybe the river Indus might have changed its course or changed its way. And then the region, because of the shortage of water, it might have been turned into a desert. So these are the various things which the historians, they believe led to the decline of the civilization. Now children, the Indus or the Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan culture, it existed between 2500 BC and 1500 BCE. Now, it is believed that around 1750 BCE, the cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro declined, and Gradually, the other cities in this area, they also started declining. In the Indus Valley civilization, it is very, very important for us because it was the earliest known urban civilization of India. Although whatever the archaeologists they have discovered, they are in ruins. Both the cities, whatever it has been like we have discovered, they are in ruins. But still they they feel a feeling of pride in our rich and now children, again I'll repeat it. These cities, although when we have discovered it, they are in ruins, but their history and culture, they instill a feeling of pride and honor in our rich and glorious past. It seems as if the Indus Valley civilization was one of the cradles of magnificent ancient civilization. Thank you.